This is velocity time graph. You see, observe this. By using this graph, we can obtain the equations of motion. Those three equations of motions we can derive by using this graph. This is velocity time graph. Velocity time graph. The first equation is equation for velocity time relation, or v is equal to u plus at. Here distance is not mentioned here very clearly, s is not there. Now point wise I am explaining. Consider the above velocity time graph for a body with a uniform acceleration a. Then only the graph is formed a straight line AB. The body has an initial velocity u at point A when time is equal to 0. This is the initial velocity. From O to A, this represents velocity, initial velocity u. The body has an initial velocity u at A when t is equal to 0, and its velocity increases to v at point B in time t. As you observe this graph, as the time increases from 0 to t, the velocity increases from A to B. A to B. Understand? Now, BE drawn perpendicular to y-axis and BC drawn perpendicular to x-axis, and this AD drawn perpendicular to BC. These three lines we are using. Now, thus initial velocity u is equal to OA, or OA is equal to this CD or DC, and final velocity V is equal to, final velocity V is equal to this 0 to E, or this is equal to BC. It is shown here clearly. Time taken is equal to T, which is equal to 0 to C, O to C. Now, acceleration of a body, A is equal to rate of change of velocity. As we have learnt in the theory, that acceleration of a body is equal to rate of change of velocity. Therefore, slope of straight line AB is equal to rate of change of velocity. In the graph, the slope of the straight line is equal to the acceleration or rate of change of velocity. Therefore, the slope is taken as, this is a right triangle, this is a right triangle. Let it be taken certain angle theta, then opposite side to that angle by adjacent side is taken as the slope of this line AB. Slope of this line AB. Therefore, slope of straight line AB is equal to BD by AD, which is equal to BD is equal to BC minus DC, because BC is equal to V, DC is equal to AO, which is equal to U. That is why we get here A is equal to BC minus OA by OC, or which is equal to DC. Therefore, A is equal to V minus U by OC is the AD is equal to OC, that is equal to T. Therefore, by using this we get, by cross multiplication, V minus U is equal to AT, or V is equal to, then you bring minus U this side, it will become V is equal to U plus AT. This is the first equation of motion.